Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to discuss evaluating functions. Let's have an idea about evaluating. It's merely or just substituting the given value on the function. So we practice the input, process, and output to look at those processes or those idea or concept. Okay, let's have this example. So evaluate f of x equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 if x equal to 5. Now, let me just write again the function. So we have now f of x equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. So let me just make it a little bit bigger so that you would see it clearly. So now, you would substitute now the value, the x value, which is 5. So when you substitute that, it's just like the input process, and this is now the input um, in your function. So 5, then it will be squared minus 2 times 5 plus 5. Now we're processing it right now. When we say processing, we use now our operation. So 3, then this would be 25 minus 2 times 5 plus 5. So what I'm doing is that I'm doing it one at a time. So f of 5 would be equal to 3 times 25, that is 75, minus 2 times 5 minus 10 plus 5. So we could have this one, f of 5 that would be 75 minus 10, that would be 65 plus 5, so that would be 70. And this is now our answer when we evaluate the function by 5. Okay, now let's go with another example. I have another example here. So we have a rational function. So let's have this one. Once again, I want to put this one, and I just want to copy now the function. It's a rational function. So I have here 2x minus 3 over 5 minus x. So we want to evaluate. So let's go now get our input. So g of negative 2 is equal to, so we have now, we need to substitute that. So 2, negative 2 times negative 2 minus 3. Then let's have this one, 5 minus negative 2. Oops, it's negative 2, right? Okay, processing that. So we have this one, g of negative 2 is equal to, so one at a time on the numerator, that's negative 4 minus 3. Then 5 plus 2. Able to see the process? So we have that. So g of negative 2 would be equal to negative 4 minus 3, that would be negative 7. And then 5 plus 2, that is 7. And we're getting now the final answer by dividing that. G of negative 2 would be equal to negative 1. Okay, I think we're good with this one when it comes to evaluating. Okay, let's have the last example. I have a radical function. So the radical function there is v of x. So I'm getting now the ribbon of radical. So, oops, there should be an equal sign there. So you have now 5 minus x. And we want to input now our 6 as a value for x. So b of x, b of 6 rather, is equal to square root of 5 minus 6. Okay, oops. Technically, if we have 5 minus 6, so we have now b of 6, that'll be equal to square root of 5 minus 6, that is negative 1. And then I believe when we discuss this one, if the square root of negative 1, that will lead you to is equal to I, or the imaginary. And that's it. That's how you evaluate now function. Okay? I hope you learned something about evaluating functions. If you have any question, comment down below. And I hope I could see those questions or reaction regarding this video. Thank you very much, and I hope you learned something. Have a great day.